welcome to Crafter Productions. Today we're doing a different video, how to train your dog, these 5 cool tricks. What do you want to do with this? Yeah. So we're doing 5 tricks that are kind of high level and explaining how you can teach your dog these tricks. What do you think there? The classic shake. Dogs can also do high five, which is basically shake. You can train them by doing shake, except doing this. So high five, Woody, high five, and train them to do it higher like this, here. So you can do that and basically high five. So Woody, high five, here, Woody, high five. You're a lazy dog, aren't you? Let's try it again. Woody, high five. Come on. High five. So it's kind of hard for them to learn because they assume you're going to shake. So you have to do a really good job of distinguishing the two. And the next one I want to do, it's kind of, I wouldn't really recommend it if you want to start bad habits, but it is like something. So Woody, stand, Woody, jump, Woody, jump, Woody, jump. Yes, now Woody, jump. Okay, so you can also do that so you can get your paws on your shoulders and like a dance command, and you can do that. And then also right here, there's a bonus. So Woody, hands up. This one's a bit harder to do because it's, how to explain it, it's like prairie dog, like this, except with the other hand too. You have to balance himself. So here, we paw up, hop, we jump. Kind of like jump, we jump. Here, jump, jump. Here, jump, we jump. Kind of like that, except staying balanced. The next one we're gonna do is also a little bit more high leveled. So we lay down, yeah, and crawl, good, crawl. Now let's do one more time. Crawl, not roll over, crawl, good boy. So crawl is actually a pretty easy one to teach a dog. He got crawl, like whenever we held a tree and we told him to lay down, he would just start crawling. So he, like, Woody here already knows how to do that. So now we're gonna move on to the rest. Now there's one I want to talk about, but Woody here can't really do it that well. Anyways, I'll still give you the command. Woody, wipe your face. Wipe your face. Now, it's really entertaining for some reason to see dogs wipe their face. And you can teach dogs that. We haven't really worked on it that much with Woody here, but it is a good trick. Yeah. Right there. Here, have this treat. Now, the last thing we're going to do is, again, a little bit more complicated, but you probably heard of it before. It's kind of obvious. Woody. Woody. Bark. Woof. Woof. Woody. Speak. You're not smart, aren't you? Yeah. Okay, just Woody. Let's try this again. So I was just working on a couple with him, and he actually got it. I'll try a couple more, Woody. Lay down. Now, you probably know this one, but roll over. You like that, don't you? Yes. Yeah. Now, there's another one. I explained shake earlier in high five, but what's really challenging is sort of like a laying down shake. So shake. Oh wait, I have to treat. Brody. Brody, what's this? Yes. Brody, shake. Shake. Brody, shake. Good. Shake. Yes. So that was technically the last one. If you want to see more videos like this where I teach him some more tricks, show you guys how to do them, then comment down below and hit the like button. If we get let's go for 3 likes on this video. If we get 3 likes, we'll do a part 2 to this. Or Brody here, he's learned some new tricks. Wanna learn some new tricks?